Hi, my name is Patrick Chan, the best-selling author of Wake Up Millionaire. During this video, I'm going to share with you how you can generate income from the internet. I know, it's quite a big claim to make, but you'll see how easily it can be done at the end of this video, because I've done it. Here's the story. You see, I've been using a proven way of making money online in the internet marketing niche, and I'm really pleased to announce that it has been highly profitable. Not only that, it's also currently generating income on autopilot for me. Here's exactly what I did, and that you can copy down to a T. I've developed a powerful marketing software to make money from the internet and created a new membership. But instead of selling them to customers, the software and training courses are given away for free via a secret web page that I've created, not available from any of my official websites. Now, when they requested for the software and became my new subscribers, I'll continue to send them valuable reports for free. But found in each of these emails sent, there will be a promotion of an affiliate program where I'll be able to make an affiliate commission. And sometimes, I'll send them product recommendations to buy too. The products promoted are from ClickBank.com, mainly because nowadays, ClickBank only approves legitimate products into their affiliate program marketplace. This way, I know I'm promoting only good products and adding value to my subscribers. Secondly, the typical commission package for a ClickBank product is around 50%. And also, I've been invited to ClickBank's HQ in Boise to meet with their top management executive. Here's what the VP of Marketing is saying about me.
Hi there, my name is Corey Davis. I'm Vice President of Marketing at ClickBank. I had the awesome opportunity this weekend to meet Patrick, who I've been able to get to know. Awesome guy. A couple of things about Patrick that I've learned is that he is a smart guy. He's savvy when it comes to internet marketing and business strategy, and it's been fun to get to know him. We've had some great discussions over the last few days, and he's been able to help me learn some things about what some of the trends are happening in the marketing space, and just to share some of his wisdom because he's very experienced and he's an awesome guy, and we are excited that he's doing some amazing things on ClickBank, and it's been awesome to get to know him. And Patrick, you're awesome.
Let me sum up the whole system into 3 simple steps, and they'll look like this. Step number 1. New subscribers subscribe from a secret webpage to get my marketing software for free. Step 2. Automated emails are being sent out to the new subscribers. Step 3. Money is guaranteed when the subscribers buy the valuable products promoted in the automated emails. This simple to follow model has been very profitable for me, but the truth is, it's unlikely that a newbie can pull this off successfully. Even an intermediate internet marketer would struggle. Why? Well, it's not easy to create a top-notch web page that can convert subscribers very well. Also, putting the effort to continue testing it for improvement is tough. It's not easy to come up with an attractive but free offer that can entice the visitor to subscribe. Our secret webpage can convert subscribers at almost a 50% conversion rate. Newbies do not have any proven credibility in the internet marketing niche. Therefore, it is very hard to command any attention from visitors and subscribers. Unless the newbie is in the market long enough, he or she wouldn't know what products to promote or how to promote them effectively. Most newbies don't have the technical software and know-how to get started. Domain name, hosting, an autoresponder for emailing, and so on. Not to mention, all of these can be quite overwhelming to understand. Many simply do not have the time to create a membership program and be able to continually add content inside it. Without ongoing content, you'll lose the subscribers quickly. They would also need to be true masters of email marketing, because the fact is, the money is really made by sending carefully crafted emails. Despite what the gurus have been pitching before, it's not entirely true that there is zero cost to start a solid internet business. There are costs involved, especially with hiring designers, writers, etc. On top of that, hosting and autoresponders are a monthly cost. When a newbie gets started, he or she needs a coach for guidance and advice. But the most complex matter of all is structuring a system that can be highly profitable going forward. But what if the newbies can leverage on and use my entire system without paying any loyalty or licensing fee? And I'll even train them for free. In a nutshell, clone my entire business system so that I can generate affiliate commissions for you. But before I continue any further, let me share with you a little bit about myself so that you know that I'm real. The fact is, there is a lot of noise out there. Sometimes you don't even know who's real and who isn't. Firstly, I don't hide behind a computer screen. This is me. I've also spoken to audiences in 11 countries as an internet marketing authority and have authored several books. One of my latest physical books is Clicking Cash, which is co-authored by Robert G. Allen, the New York Times best-selling author of multiple streams of income, 1 Minute Millionaire, Cracking the Millionaire Code, Cash in a Flash, and many more big hits. Here's a testimonial from Bill Bartman, the billionaire coach who became the 25th wealthiest person in America. This is the best book I've read about creating wealth and making money from the internet, period. The internet is one of the fastest ways to create multiple streams of income, and Clicking Cash can show you how. Read this book as soon as possible. Here's a testimonial from the founder of ClickFunnels and top internet marketer, Russell Brunson.
Hey, my name is Russell Brunson, and I want to make a really quick video for my friend Patrick Chan. And it's kind of interesting. I actually met him almost a decade ago, about 10 years ago. We were both online at the same time, trying to learn this whole internet marketing game and figure out how to start a business and how to grow a company and all these things. And it's been so fun to watch him over the years take his own businesses from ideas and these concepts and then turn them into businesses that have done millions of dollars in sales. And but what's even more impressive to me is not only has he done that for himself and his own businesses, he's literally taken thousands of students from all around the world and taken them through that same process. And he's got tons and tons of success stories of people that he's been able to touch with what he knows and the strategies he has, and help them to start their own businesses online too. And he's just someone that I trust him. He's a great friend and someone who's been a mentor and a friend to me for over a decade now. And it's been fun to share with him strategies and ideas. And he's someone who I trust. And if you guys have a chance to work with him, definitely take him up on the opportunity. He knows what he's talking about. He's got results for himself and for others, and that's what really counts. That's what matters. So Patrick is amazing, and I hope you guys have a chance to get to know him better.
My testimonials range from ordinary people right up to millionaires. The only reason why I'm telling you this today is because my strategies work, period. Newbies use them to quit their jobs, while experienced marketers use them to make bigger 6- and 7-figure incomes. Today, I'm the founder of several startups like nagscreen.com, pagepressapp.com, and others. More importantly, I've been in your shoes before, struggling to make money online when I first started. Way back to 2003 to be precise. It took me almost a year to crack the code. During the following year, I was featured on Google News about me making $21,560.26 from home. Google News was still in its beta phase then. Well, that was more than 10 years ago. Today, I've made much more than that. But that's enough about me, because this video is not about me at all. It's really about you. What if you could license my entire internet business system without paying any loyalty or license fee? And I'll even train you for free. And I'll work for you for free too. Let me introduce you to the CB Passive Income License Program 3.0, a truly revolutionary internet business in a box program that can generate a sustainable passive income for you. Imagine if you don't need to write or produce any content. You don't need to create any membership program. You don't need to develop any software. You don't need to create any products to sell. You don't need to come up with your own free offer. You don't need to write any sales letter. You don't need to pay for hosting or an autoresponder. You don't need to send emails at all. You don't need to provide any customer service or follow-up. You don't need to research for what products or affiliate programs to promote. You don't even need to learn internet marketing. Heck, with this program, you don't need to do anything except for one simple task. When you choose the CB Passive Income license, you will get an exact clone of my proven, successful business with the potential to generate a passive income through it. And we'll handle absolutely everything for you. So, here's how it works. I've invested in and created a very unique software system that allows you to make money using my valuable content and promotions. Basically, the software generates a unique link, only available for you to use, where it'll send them to a secret web page to get my highly valuable software and course for free. And here's the most exciting part. After they've subscribed, each time an email is sent to them from the system, I'll have your affiliate link to the product that's being promoted so that you can earn affiliate commission from it. So technically, in essence, every single email that is sent out from CB Passive Income System will have the potential to make money for you. And you don't need to do any work at all because I am working for you for free. It's like having me create content for you, do all the marketing for you, and continue to think of ways how you can make even more money. I'll continue to monetize the subscribers for you. And the good news is, you've already read my credibility. I've been in this business for a decade now and have thousands of customers all around the world. Keep in mind that this is true internet business that you can own. All you need to do is focus on one simple task. Give away online software for free. The task is simple. Just give away the free software through your unique link. You're not even required to sell anything to anyone. Selling is no-no here. I'll do the selling for you. I'll be the bad guy. The good news is, when you get the license, I'll also train you how to promote your unique link effectively. Inside the program, I have prepared the training to teach you how to get traffic from all kinds of methods, including social media and paid ads. You'll be promoting on the internet, not emailing to your friends. Once you've fully set up, you'll be able to use my software to get yourself started and access all of my training material. And you'll not be required to pay for any license fee, ever. This is by far a very rare opportunity presented to you, to clone my entire marketing system to generate affiliate commissions. Proof. Hundreds of our customers have made money with the system. Although this is not a true push-button system, I want to make it clear to you. This is not multi-level marketing at all. You will not be asked to email your friends, family, and colleagues to promote new stuff to them. You will not be asked to recruit other downlines too, or have any kind of complicated downline system. This is a business where you'll earn commission on every single product bought by your customers. It is as simple as that. The difference is, I'll do all the work for you. This is not an internet marketing magic button. This isn't some software you install and merely click 3 buttons to make money. This is a fully functioning, real internet business that can generate a sustainable passive income for you. The reason why it becomes push-button easy for you is because we're doing all the work for you, mainly so that you can just focus on one simple task. You're leveraging on my marketing system. This is not affiliate marketing in action. With affiliate marketing, you're paid once and only once for the product you promote and have sold. After the first sale, the customer belongs directly to the business owner. Your license with us is drastically different, and it is much more profitable. The subscribers you bring in belong to you. You will make money off of anything and everything that they purchase from when we email them to as long as they stay subscribed. Unedited testimonial. Patrick's new program, CB Passive Income License Program, has been a new breakthrough for me in affiliate marketing so far. I had a phobia of list building because I just couldn't get it right earlier. I struggled to design a sequence page that could barely convince my visitors to subscribe, and it was hard coming up with any different free gift to keep them interested. I started with Patrick's CB Passive Income from scratch with a 0 mailing list. In just 1 week since it launched, I managed to collect over 100 leads and made almost $200 in affiliate commissions so far. I'm sharing this just so that you know what's possible with this system. I've only used one of his methods in the training so far. I still have a lot to learn, and I'm going to get busy learning the rest so that I can multiply the above results farther. With CB Passive Income, I could leverage Patrick's system to finally